Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a compatible phone, laptop, or hardware key, and an account with security settings. Once done, sign into the service and navigate directly to security or sign-in options. You'll choose Add Passkey or Register Security Key. This is the first actionable step. Make sure to keep a backup recovery method handy: phone number, recovery codes, or a second key. Doing this reduces lockout risk while you register your primary passkey or hardware security key immediately. You proceed with the registration flow. Pick Add Passkey or Register Security Key and give the key a recognizable name. For platform passkeys, complete the biometric or PIN prompt. For hardware keys, insert the USB-C Lightning adapter or tap NFC when prompted and press the Keys button. Once the service registers the credential, it will display confirmation. Then test it. Sign out and sign in using just the passkey or key to verify that authentication succeeds, and that you finish by adding a secondary passkey or hardware key and saving recovery codes in a secure offline place, like a password manager or physical safe. Make sure your OS, browser, and security key firmware are current to prevent connectivity glitches. If registration or sign-in fails, try another USB port or phone, clear the browser cache, or retry the NFC tap. If you're locked out, use the recovery codes or your secondary key immediately. Doing these steps prevents most issues and restores access quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.